Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use macros in FreeCAD. So let's create first a simple macro. If you want to do it first, you need to create here a macro. So we go to macro and we click macro recording. Then we need to type here a macro name. So for example, I will type here simple macro and I press record button. After that, I click empty file, I create a body, and I need to create a sketch. Then, for example, I select here XZ plane and I click OK button. Now I will create here a simple rectangle. So I click on this one option and I select here rectangle. Now I draw it somewhere here and then I click close button. Then, for example, I select here pad and our object has been successfully created here. So now I click OK button and I go to macro and I need to click stop macro recording. So now if you would like to run macro which will create this object, you need to reopen FreeCAD. So I close it and open it again. And now we can try to run our macro. So we need to go to macro, we need to go to macros, and here we have our macro that we have already created. So I click on this macro and I need to click execute. And how you see our object has been successfully created here. Of course you can rotate this object to check how it looks. So maybe I will do it now. So how you see it is our box that we have already created. So how you see it really works if I helped you to create macro in FreeCAD. Remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's a problem.